Hey, have you ever wondered by looking at the bright night sky about these seemingly uncountable number of stars? About the moon? Sometimes even you can see other planets like Venus and Mars too. But how and from where these come from? All these celestial bodies which you can see exist in our galaxy, and there are a lot of galaxies present in a universe. Wait. By the way, what exactly a galaxy is? Hi everyone, this is your free mentor welcoming you all to this new series on geography. In this lecture, we will learn about galaxy. We have already learned about the universe and many interesting facts about it in the respective lecture. If you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it. The link is given in the description box. Let's get into the topic. We live on the planet Earth, which is being revolved by its one and only satellite, our cute Chandamama. I mean the moon. Same as the Earth, there are other 7 planets with their respective satellites along with the Sun forms solar system. Like these, there are many such systems exist in a galaxy. So now you got some idea about the galaxy? How big it is? A galaxy is a vast system of billions of stars which also contains a large number of gas clouds, mainly of hydrogen gas and dust, isolated in a space from similar system. That means, like our Milky Way galaxy, there are many other galaxies do exist. If we look into the fact, there are about 100 billion galaxies in the universe, and each of these galaxies has, again, on an average 100 billion stars. So, if you calculate by multiplying them, the total number of stars in the universe is 100 billion multiplied by 100 billion, which is around 10 to the power 22 stars. This is so surprising, no? These many numbers of stars. Like other celestial bodies, does these galaxies have any shape or size? Yes, they have different shapes. In general, there are 3 types of galaxies that we find in the universe. What are they? Number 1, elliptical galaxies. Number 2, spiral galaxies. And number 3, irregular galaxies. Unlike the elliptical and spiral galaxies, irregular galaxies are those which don't have any particular shape. The shape of our galaxy is spiral. Remember, shape of Milky Way is spiral. Now, let's have some other interesting facts about galaxies. The name of our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy was formed some around 5 billion years after the Big Bang. We'll study about the Big Bang in our next lectures. And the first person to see this galaxy was Galileo Galilei. Do you remember his name? In the 3rd lecture on European geographers, we have studied about him. There I told you that Galileo invented the telescope in 1609 AD. The latest known galaxy is the dwarf galaxy. Dwarf galaxy is the name given to it. Latest known means the latest which was found. Next fact, Andromeda is our nearest galaxy. If you can remember, we have studied it in the school. So, till now we saw what a galaxy is, shape of the galaxies, number of galaxies, as well as number of stars present and some interesting facts about it. In the next lecture, we will see the most awaited Big Bang theory. And one more thing, if you found the lecture useful, like it and share among your friends. If you still have any doubt regarding the topic related to your exam, you can ask in the comment section below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.